It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
From the A, you so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the way, it must be, cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'. Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just.
Alright y'all, so clearly today we are working with Yolissa or Yolissa Hair. I love this brand, so I'm very excited. And we are working with a 26-inch wig today. Y'all know I love me some inches. I love the short hair, I love the long hair, I love medium lengths, I love all lengths, but I just feel like I haven't had like a long wig in a minute, so I'm very excited right now. Like 26 inches, I'm thrilled. And this is also HD lace, undetectable skin melt, transparent. Like, let's get into it. Yeah, so this is what the unit is looking like. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I don't even remember what kind of wig this is supposed to be, like what texture, but it does look like WaterWave, and maybe like a 5x7. So this is what it's looking like in the bag. Okay, she's looking pretty long. Let's get into these goodies first. HD wig caps, some 3D eyelashes. These are not bad actually. Okay, a edge brush and comb. I'm always happy to get these because I always need some. A Yolissa Hair melting band. This is a little Yolissa scarf, I'm assuming. Let me show y'all. Yeah, so it's like a little scarf, little head wrap that you put on, side on, keep the edges intact, you know, keep the lace laid. They're just trying to make sure that our hair stays laid, and I love that for us. Love that for us and love them for that. You know, it's the little things that matter. And last but not least, the Yolissa hair bag. Okay, super cute to store all my goodies in. Let's get into this unit, which we're all looking forward to, right? Right. Alright y'all, so this is the unit. Human hair wigs, 100% human hair. Okay, they got a little thing here to let you know. This not a fire drill, this the real thing. Okay, let me bleep that part out because that was out of pocket, but okay, and now I'm looking at this. I can't tell if this is deep wave or water wave or what texture this is, but this looks real pretty. Like we finna, like this is really cute. Hold on. Okay, and then our closure, this is definitely a 5x5, and ooh, it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached really nicely, guys. Look at this. Now that's giving scalp. Okay, now that's what I'm talking about when I say pre-bleach, and it's slightly over bleached, just how I like my knots, a little over bleached. And the plucking, immaculate. The fullness, immaculate. The texture, immaculate. Everything's looking very immaculate right now. Like, and the wig is like heavy, y'all. Y'all can just look and see how full it is, and the wig feels heavy. So again, I just can't stress how full this unit is, y'all. Like, it's super full, and I can't wait to wet this curl pattern, see what it looks like once it dries fully, because it's just so full, and it's full all the way to the ends. The curl pattern looks beautiful already. It's just very thick. It does come with this strap inside, and the lace is very thin. I can just tell there's some really good HD lace because the lace just feels very thin. And yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, a 5x5. I'm just really excited to install this and see what this looks like. So y'all stay tuned for the install. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. BRB. All right, y'all, so let's get started with this install. Right here, I'm just spraying water to take off my wig. This is how I take off all my wigs, y'all, because y'all know I literally just use lace spray. I don't use lace glue. And I just feel like this works to me. I keep my edges. I take my wigs off every night and put them back on in like 5 minutes. So yeah, so I'm just taking some alcohol and a cotton ball right here and cleaning my hairline real good to get out any dirt, oil, makeup, all that. All right, y'all, so I took off the other wig and I cleaned my hairline really good with alcohol and a cotton ball. So I'm just gonna throw this wig on and see like what it's looking like before I do anything to it. It just looks really good, just like the way it is right now. So I don't feel like we're gonna have to do much to this, y'all. Okay, this is what it's looking like, and it's fitting very snug. Like, this ain't no glue. Okay, the fullness, 10 out of freaking 10. I love the length of this hair. I love how full and even the ends look. I love this so far already. So, and I just know that sometimes with like good HD lace, it don't really be needing a lot of makeup because it just melts like naturally without all the makeup. I will be putting a little bit on this one though, because I don't like how that in person it looks good. Well, in person it looks better than it does on the camera. Like, this angle looks good, it melts right, and then you do like this and it's like, I don't know what's up with lace, like why it does that from certain angles, but I am gonna put some makeup on this, so BRB. All right, so right here I'm just parting my hair in sections, parting the closure in sections, and taking a wax stick and a hot comb and getting it super duper flat. Y'all know how I do this to all my wigs just to make them look really sleek, flat, and like, I don't know, like neat and natural. Like, I just love how good it looks when you make them look flat. Like, I feel like it looks more natural. So that's what I'm doing here, going in sections. I did speed this up and skip through this part because it's kind of repetitive. Just parting, wax stick, hot comb until you're done with the closure. All right, so once I finish hot combing, I parted out my baby hairs. Then I'm kind of pinning my hair back. Then I'm taking my hot comb and flat ironing and hot combing my baby hairs the direction I want them to lay, so that they lay better, they look better. Once I lay them down, they're not trying to stick up and like, you know, lay the wrong way. Everything just looks really flat, really natural, and like, you know, just looks really cute and sleek. So once I do that, I'm about to get started wetting this hair. Usually I would do my edges first, I think, and like lay my lace and stuff, but I kind of did it out of order. And right here I'm just cutting the baby hairs shorter to a length that looks more appropriate, and then taking my spray bottle and spraying this hair. And what you really could do is just go and literally dip your head under the sink. On days where I really don't have time to be sitting here spraying my hair, I just go into the bathroom, literally dip my hair under the sink, and then brush it through. Like, it's the same thing, it's just a little quicker. So you could do that. Just make sure you got a towel, you know, because you might drip water everywhere. But you know, work smarter, not harder. Alright, so I'm just scrunching my hair at the ends, y'all, to help with the curls. Y'all know I do that to all my curly hair. And then I did the same thing to the other side, wet it, brush through it, scrunch up the ends. And now I'm taking some mousse to put on top of my wig, because y'all know I like the top of my wigs to be super duper flat and natural looking. Like, it doesn't need to look like a wig. It doesn't need to look all hunched up and big at the top and, you know, big wig. Like, no, this needs to look like it's coming out of my scalp and, you know, I just got out the shower. Like, that's the whole point of wearing a wig, so it can look realistic. But yeah, brushing through this hair a little bit more, just kind of molding this. I just love the way wet curly hair looks. Like, I was really feeling myself right here. I'm like, girl, you was really tea. Like, yeah, I be having to remind myself. Cutting the ends, trimming them just so that they look a little bit more even and full, even though they really didn't need much cutting, which is why I'm not cutting off a lot. Scrunching them again and looking at myself like, oof, like, curly hair just be so tea. Like, please, let's get into it. Like, let's get into this for real. And watching this video back and editing this, I'm just like, this is really finna be a fall wig for the winter, because this hair is so thick and long. Like, this gonna keep me warm all winter, and I'm gonna be giving, like, this is definitely giving winter and fall hair. I would definitely be wearing this for the holidays. All right, y'all, so the hair is dry, and like, this hair is so freaking full. First of all, the hair actually still feels a little damp, so it's gonna dry even more full than this. And like, this is actually really just crazy to me, like how full this is. Like, this hair is heavy, thick, full. Like, I'm gonna be hot wearing this wig, but that is a good thing to have. Like, these are good. This not even problems. I was gonna say these are good problems to have. This wig being full is not a problem by any means. I'm not complaining. All right, I do want to kind of flatten this out a little bit. I don't know what it is about me and top of my wigs. I just be wanting them to lay as flat as possible. Like, this is actually crazy, like crazy full. All right, so right here, just pinning my hair out the way again, cutting off that excess lace. And y'all, you don't have to do this in a particular order, because usually I would like lay the lace down first and then cut off the excess lace and then spray it again. But I kind of did it out of order this night because I was filming other videos, so I didn't want to glue the wig on, because I had to take it off and let it dry to put on another wig. LOL, y'all, that's literally how it be. But usually I would lay it down first, you know, and then cut off the lace. You know, I just did it kind of backwards this video, but still get the same results. So curling my baby hairs right here, laying them down with some Fantasia liquid mousse. That stuff works so good for like melting and holding edges and everything. Like, that stuff is just so fire. And I do like dramatic edges, so you know, I didn't make them too thick, because too thick be looking crazy, but I did make them a little bit dramatic, and I'm gonna fluff them out at the end. Then I sprayed my lace spray, and I'm about to put my band on and let it melt, y'all. And I'm just looking at my baby hair. It's like, oh, they look so good. Look. Yeah. So band on. And we're gonna let that marinate. And I'm just touching up the top of the wig again, you know, getting it as flat as I possibly can, because like, the flatter it looks, the better to me. Like, it just looks so natural when it's flat. Like, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, tell me this don't look good right now. Like, ugh. Watching this back, I'm just like, when I be doing these videos, I be thinking like, oh my god, it looks a mess. And I watch it back and I'm like, girl, it looks so good. What are you talking about? So taking my band off here, and boom, like, let's really get into that. So I'm spraying it right here, fluffing out my baby hairs. And I did end up putting some more makeup on that lace, because that white line that's right there, like I was telling y'all in the beginning, there's always like a chalky look to the lace from certain angles. So I don't know, I did put makeup on the lace, but you be having to put more after you cut the lace. So after I fluffed out my baby hairs and everything, and like kind of, you know, brushed the hairline back to make it look sleek using the liquid mousse, I did put some more makeup on that part, on the hairline, I'm sorry, because I just hate that little white line that be there. That really be the trickiest part of installs, is like melting that lace and getting rid of that white line. And y'all can see me right here just dabbing on makeup, trying to get rid of that white line, because that white line really be very stubborn. But once you get rid of that, baby, we cooking with hot grease, or whatever they're saying. And this is the final looks, y'all. This is the hair. It looks so freaking good. Like, looking back, look at this hair. So bomb, y'all. Like, this is definitely finna be a wig I'm finna be wearing all fall, all winter. This could even be a good summer wig, even though you might be hot in this, but you know, sometimes you gotta make sacrifices. But yeah, this is the unit, y'all. This is from Yolissa Hair. The links to this unit will be down below in my description box. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. If you're gonna buy this unit, let me know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you just want to chit chat in the comments, you know, let me know. Show me some love. Make sure you like this video if you liked it, if it helped you in any way. And just like it just because. Make sure you comment
and subscribe for more content just like this. And I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.